Design is about detail. And so whenever you're going into design, you have to have all those details lined up. Randy, and landscaping and automotive into his own special pad, and you are gonna get a sneak peek and a private tour. Sounds like my kind of place. Here we are. Is this the Randerosa?
Hey, bud!
Hey, what's going on?
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Man, I love this ride.
Oh, isn't this nice?
So this is really cool.
This is the way to roll around town right here. What a beautiful place here, man. Now this is crazy because I'm actually way into landscaping. So
I heard that about you.
finally somebody else understands that you combine old cars and landscaping.
Yeah. You know what? It's an obsession, and I'm not sure that it's healthy, but it's what I do.
Whoa, look at that thing. What in the world?
Doesn't everybody have a dump truck?
Well, they should. All right, so here's the story. Let me guess. You were having landscaping done at the house, and the rock truck was like an old guy, got a good deal on the rocks, and then the thing stalled, and you said, hey, let's make a sculpture out of it.
Well, he actually ran off the road and hit the fire hydrant, but you got it pretty much correct.
Can you get a picture of me up in here?
Absolutely.
All right. You don't mind, do you?
I don't mind at all as long as you don't hurt yourself.
Okay, I'm good. I got this. Okay. All right. Where'd he go?
Watch this.
Uh-oh. Hey, what'd you do?
You wanted the full experience,
I wanted a picture. I didn't want to, like, wrap it. You made a waterfall out of it.
Yeah.
My God. This is amazing. All right, how do I get down? You have a crane sculpture somewhere, too? Woo! I think I got it. Don't step on anything. Got it.
So
You scared me. Don't do that to me. Now, this is some serious work. I mean, just to get a patina truck in your yard, let alone do all of the landscaping and the work. I mean, look at that. How do you talk your wife into letting you do this?
I said, babe, I want to do a dump truck water feature. She said, what? How much is this going to cost? I said, I don't know. So about halfway through, she looks at me, she says, hey, bub, how much have we spent? I said, babe, I don't know. I went ahead and had the wheels and tires slicked up because I want you to come down the driveway, and for just a half a second, I want you to think, wait a minute, does it run? Does it run?
It used to run, but not with the radiator blown up. I bet that fire truck runs.
Well, yeah, it does.
Does it?
Yeah, there's a story behind that, too.
You are getting to be a big 10-year-old. You know that? You are like a really big kid.
Well, if you've got a dump truck, you've also got a fire truck, don't you?
All right, let's do this. Oh my God, wow, this thing is beautiful.
I wanted to do something different, and I stumbled on this fire truck, and I brought it down from Virginia. I spent an entire year restoring the fire truck, and I gave that fire truck to my wife as her 50th birthday present. Breaker 19, buddy, Breaker 19. We got us a fire here at the Randerosa. Woo! Now, first turn, kids, I want you to look over here on the right, where we have the horse bar, which are terrified because some crazy man is on the microphone.
This is awesome. Oh boy, what do we got now? Dump truck, fire truck. I mean, this place is crazy. Design is about detail. And so whenever you're going into design, you have to have all those details lined up. Randy's got it. I love patina, I love landscaping. This is, hey, what about that though?
Well, that's another story.
Yeah, let's go see that.
This is the one that started it all. This was the first one I did.
This was the first one?
Yeah.
So tell me what happened. You drove up in it, you just asked her, say, I'm thinking about throwing this old truck in the yard.
I don't even remember if I asked her about this one because I don't have a lot of money in that, and I just did it as a whim.
Hey, am I just crazy, or is there some...
Well, there's something else over there.
Is there something
you might
hidden
like that.
kind of behind the tree right here? Oh, is that an Audi? What is that over there?
Hey, Brian, you can just walk around that tree if you want to.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's